Hi everybody and welcome to my kitchen. Let's prepare very simple but very delicious salad with radishes and greens. I have here 14 big radishes, 4 green onions, a little bunch of parsley. You can use coriander if you want, and you can use any lettuce of your choice or any green leaves or mix of green leaves of your choice. I also will add small cucumber, but it's up to you, it's optional. And also we will finish with oil of your choice and the minimum of salt. I already washed all these vegetables, so now I will cut them. Now we have to add a little bit of salt, just 1 pinch, maybe 2, and an oil of your choice. I will add an olive oil. Let's mix well. I already ate a little bit and the salad is truly delicious. I hope you will enjoy it as much as I did. Enjoy your meal and bye bye.